the balloon, just like that. And I'm wearing gloves because nobody wants fingerprints on their pretty chocolate dessert bowls. And now we're going to gently just peel the balloon away from the chocolate bowl. And you don't want to crush your bowl. Just gently peel. You just want to gently peel your balloon away from your chocolate bowl. Place it back down. This chocolate bowl is melting a little bit. Now we're going to, again, gently pop the balloon and peel it away from the chocolate. And then you have a gorgeous, gorgeous chocolate bowl that you can just put anything in. You can put ice cream in it. You can put sherbet in it. You can put little candies in it. You can throw it away. All right, well, so, and voila. Wow, that's great. Look at that. These are, and voila. Look at this. Beautiful chocolate dessert bowls. Your guests will be so impressed. And it only took you, what, a couple minutes? Anyway, so that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you try this out. And thanks so much. Bye.